Dilthey's philosophical approach to hermeneutics and history. Wilhelm Dilthey's philosophy is deeply rooted in his quest to understand human life through the lens of interpretation and history. His groundbreaking ideas offer a framework for examining the distinct nature of human sciences in contrast to natural sciences. By bridging subjective experience with cultural and historical context, Dilthey reshaped how we understand the humanities. 1. Hermeneutics as a philosophical method. Dilthey advanced hermeneutics as a systematic method for interpreting human expressions, including literature, art, and historical documents. He viewed interpretation as the process of uncovering meaning embedded in cultural and historical contexts. Unlike natural sciences, which seek causal explanations, hermeneutics aims to understand the intentionality and significance of human actions and creations. 2. The primacy of historical context. Central to Dilthey's thought is the idea that human beings cannot be understood apart from their historical circumstances. He argued that history provides the framework within which individuals and societies create meaning. Dilthey's emphasis on the historical embeddedness of human life challenged ahistorical approaches and underscored the temporal nature of understanding. 3. The hermeneutic circle. Dilthey refined the concept of the hermeneutic circle, a process wherein understanding moves back and forth between the parts and the whole. For example, to understand a text, one must grasp its parts, sentences, words, and their contribution to the whole. Similarly, understanding the whole text enriches one's comprehension of its parts. This dynamic interplay is essential for interpreting meaning in human sciences. 4. The individual and society. Dilthey emphasized the duality of human existence as both individual and collective. He argued that while each person has unique experiences, these experiences are shaped by cultural, social, and historical forces. This dual perspective allowed him to explore how personal experiences contribute to broader cultural phenomena and vice versa. 5. The distinction between explanation and understanding. Dilthey's differentiation between explanation, or Klären, and understanding, Verstehen, remains one of his most significant contributions. He argued that explanation, suitable for natural sciences, focuses on objective causality, while understanding, the domain of human sciences, seeks to grasp subjective meaning. This distinction laid the foundation for disciplines like anthropology, sociology, and psychology to develop their unique methodologies. 6. The philosophy of worldviews. Dilthey's exploration of worldviews, Weltanschauungen, reflects his interest in the diversity of human thought. He categorized worldviews into types, such as naturalism, idealism, and theism, each representing a distinct way of interpreting existence. These worldviews, according to Dilthey, emerge from shared cultural and historical experiences, offering a lens through which communities make sense of life. 7. The role of expression. Dilthey saw human expressions, art, language, and rituals, as vital for understanding human life. These expressions serve as windows into the inner life of individuals and societies. By interpreting these cultural artifacts, the human sciences can reconstruct the meaning and values of past and present societies. 8. Critique of empiricism. Dilthey's critique of empiricism and positivism was rooted in his belief that human life cannot be fully understood through empirical methods alone. He argued that human existence is too complex, subjective, and historically situated to be reduced to measurable phenomena. Instead, he called for methods that engage with meaning, interpretation, and context. 9. Influence on modern thought. The impact of Dilthey's philosophy extends far beyond his time. His ideas influenced the development of phenomenology, existentialism, and modern hermeneutics. Philosophers like Martin Heidegger and Hans-Georg Gadamer expanded upon his work, applying his insights to questions of being, language, and tradition. Dilthey's emphasis on understanding as a central task of philosophy remains a cornerstone of contemporary thought. Dilthey's insistence on understanding historical and cultural particularities continues to inform interdisciplinary approaches. By highlighting the richness of subjective experience, he inspired methodologies that integrate narrative, symbolic, and interpretive elements. His legacy endures in fields that explore the human condition, from philosophy to cultural studies. In conclusion, Dilthey's philosophical contributions offer a profound understanding of the human sciences as disciplines rooted in meaning, context, and interpretation. His work underscores the necessity of engaging with the depth and complexity of human life, ensuring that the study of humanity respects its unique character and richness. By championing an approach that values history, culture, and lived experience, Dilthey solidified his place as a foundational thinker in modern philosophy.